welcome in to another woolly review with the help of Beanie, because we need the bean, and to do Hayfield Soft Twist. Now I apologise for this. We have the rare thing of a bit of sun. Woo! So yeah, ignore the sun. We're not reviewing that for the moment. This is Hayfield Soft Twist in DK. Now this is in the colour Damson, though we're not actually judging the colour at this precise moment. This is 100 grams, 325 metres or 354 yards. Approximately. It's a little bit of fluff. Teeny bit of fluff. This is 90% acrylic and 10% merino wool. You can feel and you can see the wool. There's another little bit of fluff. I mean, it's not fluff, it's hair. But it's not from me and it's not from the bean. It's from the wool. I could sit here and pick this all day, but that would be really bad because this is a prize in Woolly Wednesday. And when you see this, it will be well on its way. Can you sit on that for me? Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. I knew you'd come in handy. So it asks for a size 4mm hook, which is why we have Beanie waiting in the wings. And because it is a Woolly Wednesday prize, I can only do a half swatch. And of course, the merino is worrying me a little bit. But I'm sure it'll be fine. She says. The cheapest place I found this was actually at the woolbox for £1.60. I believe there are 4 colours. I have a feeling this is probably about to be discontinued or is discontinued. I believe. But it's Sirdar that make Hayfield. Gotta say, I quite like the feeling in my hands. Oh, there's some blue fuzz. I have to have that bit because it's blue. Anyway, yes, it feels quite nice, I have to say. I don't think I've had an acrylic merino blend before. I don't think. Not that I really have it now. It's in my mitts right now, but it's not mine. It's somebody else's. But we're going to do a row of half doubles. Now we've done our singles, because we're on our way to the frog. I am now starting to get a little bit apprehensive about the frogging process. Now I will say one thing that I very, 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 very rarely experience, and that is while I'm holding this, this feels really quite thick. Like thicker than your average DK. I mean, it's definitely a DK for sure, but worked up, it's feeling far, far thicker. Which is nice. Okay. I am a little bit worried about doing the frogging thing now. Oh, oh, oh. The ball got stuck. So our last row will be doubles. Quite like the feeling of it. Oops, sorry. Sorry. That was Beanie hitting the camera arm. I do apologise. She lost her ear doing that last time. Oh, she only got one ear. Bless her. If I knew where the other ear was, I would have put it on again for her. I would have performed a little surgery. But that was from knocking camera arm as well. Okay, so we are at the end. My little helper ladybirds, which you can buy through email. There is a post regarding them if you want to go and have a nosy, but they're only available up to my podiversary 2026. Okay, so first, oh, there's a nice bit of elasticity in there. That feels really nice. Unlike actually stroking the skein, you cannot feel the wool there. Like it's gone. That feels nice. Okay. Let's go meet the frog then. Frog, come out, wherever you are. I'm coming to find you. Ooh, I'm impressed. Hey, I see you on the motorbike. Come here. Wow. I am very, very, very impressed. Yes, it's kinkage. I was expecting this, but I was not expecting to frog it so easily. At the beginning, I was like, I'll be a doddle. And then when I picked like the second piece of hair or fluff off it, that's when I was like, this isn't so good. Okay. Let's get that ball band back on. Thank you very much for the help. And there we go. So, you're not supposed to be there. You're supposed to be with your family. Thank you very much. The Hayfield Soft Twist. I'm going immediately to number 4. Immediately. It's a shame there aren't any other colours. It's a huge shame if it is being discontinued. So I can't take it any higher than that. But worked up, it feels wonderful. There's a lovely amount of elasticity in there. The fact that it frogs so well. Bonus. Absolute bonus. And the price of it. How do you go wrong on that? I mean, how much was it? 325 metres. 325 metres for £1.60. I think that is a flipping bargain. Bargain. Big time. Absolutely wonderful. So that's what I'm going for. I am going immediately. No quibbling. No messing about. We are doing 4 ladybirds out of 5 for the Hayfield Soft Twist. Have you given it a go? Would you give it a go if you found it? What did you think? If you have tried it, let me know in the comments below. And if you're not subscribed, pressing that subscribe button is completely free. Not going to cost you a penny, but you'll be able to see other woolly reviews and other yarny content within the channel as and when it pops up. So hopefully I will see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.